Hey, hi. Hope you're doing fine. Uh, I received different requests from friends asking me how they can apply for China scholarships. And today I decided to make this video. And this to guide those friends of mine. Applying for China scholarship, it is totally free. Yeah, no application fee, no registration fee, no. Totally free. Yeah, it's totally free. You don't need to pay any coin for China scholarship. What you need to do, one, there are four main things you need to do. One, notarize your papers. Yeah, notarize or certify from your academic institution, of course. Make sure all your academic papers are notarized by your academic institution. Then two, try to write a study plan. How are you going to carry out your studies in case you're given a scholarship? Try to write down your study plan. Then three, try to at least get 2 recommendation letters. If you apply for master degree or PhD degree, at least try to get 1 recommendation letter from your professor. If you are directly from my school, at least you can get 1 recommendation letter from your head teacher. Then the other recommendation letter from any responsible person. Then 4, download medical physical examination form. Take it to any government hospital. Then try to make those tests. There are like 7 tests. It must be in government hospital. Then if you finish all those 4 steps, then go directly to the online application. It's very easy, and I'm going to help you to take you through how we can apply online. Join me. Okay, let's go through the application form, the online application form. When you're applying for Chinese government scholarships, we use this website. It's www.campuschina.com. Let's try to start afresh. So that's the website. Then go to scholarship application. So in case you're a new user, you go to create account, enter your username. So let us show this is my username and this is my email. Then you create a password. You create your password again. When you're creating your password, please make sure you enter 8 to 32 characters including combination, at least 3 of the following: uppercase, lowercase, number, special characters. For example, you can use @ can use hashtag, you can those special characters when making your passwords. Then confirm your password, then enter these verification codes, then submit. So when you submit, they'll send you a verification link on your email address. Then rush to your email address, click on that verification code, then it will bring you back to the site when your account is verified. So it will bring you to the site. So let us show that my account is verified with my email address and my password. So this is my email address, and here got my password. Then I enter the verification code. Hope we are very clear. Then sign in. They are telling me username, password incorrect. Let's try to see. Maybe my password is wrong. It's correct now. So this is our dashboard. We have home, application, registration, profile, scholarship extension for new users. Then go straight to the application online because you're a new user and you are applying. You are having a new application. This is my account. I never applied for a scholarship, so I'll just take you through and see how to do it. Let me try to edit my application and you see how the application looks like. So this here, you enter your name, passport number, username. Is very easy. Your email address, you just follow instruction to verify. Then you see these columns. The plus sign means you go to add information. So you go to the education and employment history. Then you go to other contacts. Then verify. Unless you'll be asked to download your document. That's how easy it is. So if you have any question, I'm going to leave there. Scholarship link. You can ask any question if you like.